What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Ladonnajanay here. I completely forgot to film an intro, you guys. I do apologize. But we got very festive for the Christmas season. Very festive and very glam. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Like this video and don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload. Let's go ahead and get into it. Priming my eye with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee with a beauty blender. Didn't have a red, so I had to search high and low for a red, but I found one, an old school one. This one is from Wet n Wild from their Trio palette. The palette's name is Three's a Party, and I'm going in with this red in my crease as well as up to my brow bone, and I'm blending that out with a domed shaped brush. I didn't have anything of the sort of a red, such as like a cream eyeshadow or a red eyeliner, nothing like that. So I'm going in with a liquid lipstick. This is ColourPop by Karrueche in the color Saigon, and I'm cutting my crease with this using the applicator. I'm gonna go in and blend out those edges with a Wet n Wild short shader brush. Say that 3 times, guys. And I'm going to be sharpening those edges and making sure they are blended out, as well as blending out the liquid lip because it is very tacky and it gets clumpy. So I'm just smoothing that out and making sure it is perfect for when I do put on my glitter, even though it's not really going to matter because the glitter is chunky anyway and it's going to hide any of the flaws. But OCD, so I'm just going to be blending out those edges and the color as well. I'm also going to go in back into that red color and diffuse the outer edge so that way it's not so blunt and ugly. So I'm going to blend out that edge, make sure everything is nice and blended and seamless. Now for the fun part, the glitter. This glitter is actually nail glitter, but I was very careful. I'm using Mixing Medium by MAC with I think this is a synthetic brush, and I'm just applying that to my eyelid. Ooh, look at that. Tip: put your head back and use a napkin to catch the fallout if you don't have a glitter glue, which I did not have. So just tilt your head back a little bit and put a napkin underneath your eye and it will catch most of the fallout from the glitter. And also another tip, get some scotch tape and just do that across your face and it will come right off so it doesn't mix in with your foundation. So just take it all off. And then I'm going to go in with Jordana, this color Sea Green eyeliner. And I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. And I'm going to go pretty heavy and pretty thick with this. This is just going to be my base. And then I'm going to go in with the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. And put that on top because it gives it a metallic finish. And I'm using a angled brush to apply that. Cleaning up my outer edge because we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to add a green wing from the bottom. So kind of different. I was feeling creative with this look. So I'm just going to create a wing with my green, just extending my lower lash line and going upward. And I'm going to be using that color Egypt from the Nubian 2 palette. Going in with the Bobbi's Brown highlighter in my inner tear duct. It's any gold you have will work perfectly. Get it as intense as you want. If you spray your brush with a setting spray, it will intensify it even more. Moisturize my face. I'm going in with the Glow Recipe Pink Juice Moisturizer, and then I completely forgot to put on my eyelash and do my lower mascara. I don't know what I was thinking, but I completely forgot, girl. So we're gonna go ahead and do that off camera, and then I'm back. We're gonna prime our face with the Eborium Extra Matte Primer, my fave. I absolutely love this stuff. Keeps my T-zone pretty matte. Going in with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the color 8. As y'all know, I don't wear foundation. I only use concealer. So I'm putting this as if it was my foundation, just under my eyes in a triangle motion. And then I'm going to blend it out. I use what's what's left, and I put that over the rest of my face. To blend out the concealer, I'm going in with a stippling brush to give me a flawless finish, as well as my beauty blender. That's going to give me an even more flawless finish, as if I have on a full coverage foundation, which I don't. I just have on concealer. So that's what I'm going to do. That's my little trick. For our under eye highlight, I'm going in with that same color I used on my eyelids, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee in a triangle motion. And then I'll be going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set my under eyes to give me a nice bright under eye look. Thumbs up this video if you are enjoying it so far. If you guys would wear this look either for Christmas or New Year's, you can switch out the colors, make it a gold and do a, like a black smoky eye, or do silver, something like that. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comment section if you will wear this, if this is a look you would definitely try. I would love to know. And as for the contacts, these are gray. I got them from Lens Crafters. Well, I didn't get them. They're my friends. They're not prescription or anything. You can get like contact lenses without the prescription. So yeah, these are from Lens Crafters. My friend got them for me, and they're in the color gray. If you were wondering, I thought I would just share. I got very creative and very festive with this look, and I wanted to change things up. So I put on some contacts. To set the rest of my face, I went in with my powder, which is from L'Oreal in the color Cocoa. I use a powder foundation instead of a liquid foundation. And I use that to set my face, and I absolutely love it. It gives me a flawless appearance as if I have on full coverage liquid foundation, and I really don't. So this is my go-to. This is what I wear every single day. Well, not every single day, but most of the time. And to bronze up my cheeks, I'm going in with the Morphe Glamour Bronze Bronzer in the color Phenom with a fluffy brush. I tried a lot of new techniques in this video, you guys. If you go back and look at my everyday makeup routine, I'm not using the same things. So I'm going in and I'm being very different and trying some new products and new techniques. So for our highlight, we are going in with Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact in the color Nude Glow. Very sparkly, very glowy. This is perfect for the holiday season. You are going to blend in with the ornaments. You're going to blend in with the confetti. Every time the light shines on you, you're going to shine bright. For the lips, you guys, I created a very glossy lip with several colors. I did not use one, I did not use two, but I used three colors. Going in with this liquid lip as a liner because I could not find my brown liner. So I'm going in with a liquid lip, overlining my lips. This is from my friend's cosmetic line. It is Shop Plus Life, and this is the color Fully Loaded. It is a beautiful, rich chocolate brown. So I'm lining my lips, overlining them with this color, and then I'm going to go in with NYX's Butter Gloss in the color Ginger Snap, my all-time favorite. That is my go-to color. I freaking love that color. And then I'm going to go in with Kylie Cosmetics gloss in the color Like, and then back to NYX's lip gloss, Butter Gloss in the color Tiramisu. And then that is how I created that nice glossy nude lip. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. And until my next one, you guys, stay true, stay you, and stay positive.